Oo, para madugong.
Baka isa.
Pagpwede na siyang bumalik dito. I'm sure the coaching staff of Blackwater, led by Coach Jeffrey Carriazo, when they look at the tape, they will just say, yes, it's a valid call. And they have to be, or King has to be a little more careful issuing those fouls because he cannot actually be on the bench.
Hey guys! Sorry pumunta kambal ko. Wait lang guys ha. Kain tayo.
Ano yan? Ano rin ma?
Ayun. Peanut butter. Ubus ko na guys, so iinom na tayo tubig. Ilang